When will we have a vaccine? Scientists around the world are repeating that it won't be before 12 to 18 months. Who is right? Some scientists are saying, including some of those in the race to create a vaccine themselves, have suggested that it could be as early as June. It really depends on what you mean by having a vaccine, says Marion Wentworth, the president of Management Sciences for Health, a global not-for-profit organization that seeks to build resilient health systems, and a long-time observer of vaccine development. If you mean one that can be used in a mass vaccination campaign, allowing us all to get on with our lives, then 12 to 18 months is probably right. But in terms of an experimental vaccine that is safe and effective enough to be rolled out in a more limited way for high-risk groups such as health workers. Normally, a vaccine is developed in the lab before being tested on animals. If it proves safe and generates a promising immune response in this preclinical phase, it enters human or clinical trials. These are divided into 3 phases, each of which takes longer and involves more people than the previous one. Phase 1 establishes the vaccine safety in a small group of healthy individuals, with the goal of ruling out debilitating side effects. Phases 2 and 3 test efficacy, and in an outbreak like the present one, they are conducted in places where the disease is prevalent. In parallel with these later phases, production capacity for the candidate vaccine is gradually built up, so that factories are capable of producing it on a large scale if and when regulatory agencies judge that it should be licensed. A vaccine that is approved a year from now may arrive after the end of the current pandemic, but if so, it won't be wasted. First, because COVID-19 may recur seasonally, and second, because the vaccine could itself be repurposed in the event of an outbreak of a different coronavirus. That will be no consolation to victims of this pandemic, or their relatives, but it does mean that humanity will be better protected in future. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel.